sa'yo, you mentioned how kahit galing kayo sa talo, gusto mo makita yung same mentality sa players na nandun yung grit, nandun yung effort. And this time, nanalo kayo. Ano masasabi mo how your players responded in the game talaga?
Be more focus and yung desire namin, which is our heart, our desire to win, because this is the most important game for us because of it's the game that we need to win in order for us to go to the quarters. So I'm very proud of the guys because they bounced back hard from our sorry loss last time. And I told them na yun lang, gawin lang yung kung anong ginawa namin sa Talk and Text. The same aggressiveness, the same intensity, the same defensive mindset. I think we have a good chance of winning the game because of it's an all Filipino. No import on other side, and then kami din wala. So yun, thankful and very much na-appreciate namin yung effort ng players.
Now, Coach, although winning the game and for majority, comfortable yung inyong kalamangan, but towards the end, nagkaroon ng run itong Northport. Are there any aspects of a game na you'd say you're not very happy about and for sure point of emphasis sa susunod na ensayo?
I think it's my fault. I decided to rest my starters and my key players, but it's an experience, a charge to experience to me also. Na hindi namin pwedeng mag-relax even if it's not over until it's over. So I think yun, we need to be more aggressive in 48 minutes because we talk about 48 minutes in the dugout. We talk about finishing strong. But siguro medyo yun lang. We feel that in the last 2 minutes na panalo na kami, in the last 3 minutes na panalo na. So we relax and then yun, nagkaroon sila ng run and then kailangan pa namin magkaroon ulit ng yung mga key players bumalik ulit. But again, it's not only on me but also on our third group. It's need today to charge their experience to go hard in every minute na gagamitin sila sa court.
Thank you, Coach. Now, Aris, career high, 30 points. You also set a new franchise record for most 3-point shots made with 9. Kwento mo naman sa amin, how much importance are you really putting sa outside shots and gaano mo talaga ito tinatrabaho sa ensayo?
Everyday naman, maaga ako pumupunta and then, yun, konting muni-muni lang. Tapos, pagka nafe-feel ko na pwede na akong mawak ng bola, yun, stretch na, shooting. Talagang everyday, hindi pwedeng hindi ako mag-shooting and then pagka kaya pa ng katawan ko after practice, shooting pa ako. So, yun, siguro nagbunga lang yung mga extra practice ko, extra shooting, kaya na-achieve ko to.
Aris, ikaw yung dahilan first quarter pa lang mainit na nga yung shooting mo. Ikaw yung dahilan paano nag-start yung malaking lead nitong Magnolia. Parang nagkanda hawa-hawa lang. If you could also comment on yung conscious effort to have a good start also, not just for the whole team, pero ikaw din.
Ayun, every game naman, minimension ni Coach na kailangan namin mag-start strong kasi lahat ng games namin talagang slow start kami kaya nahihirapan kami makarecover sa dulo and then sometimes nananalo and then yun nga madalas din natatalo. So yun, tinanong ko lang sa isip ko na kailangan mag-word ako and then kailangan namin yung panalo para makapasok sa playoffs. And thank you din sa mga teammate ko. Sila yung may dahilan kasi talagang every time na tumadrive sila, ako yung hinahanap and then pumapasok naman.